So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Visa stock, ticker symbol V in Canada here on the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go down to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on the discovery screen, go to the top here and press on search. We're just going to type in VISA for Visa. Press on where it says V right here on the New York Stock Exchange. Press on that right there. Now if you want to buy a share or buy whatever amount of shares you want, and go to the bottom, press on buy, and then press on stocks. Now, if you want to do a fractional buy, you can type in the amount that you want. Keep in mind, this is in US dollars. If you want to do a market buy, a limit buy, stop limit buy, whatever the case is, these are your options right there. But we're just going to go ahead and just press on 1 for this demonstration, and then press on continue. So as you can tell, if you wanted to confirm the purchase, go to the bottom and press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how to buy Visa stock, ticker symbol V in Canada. Keep in mind too, you are buying this in US dollars, so there will be a conversion fee. But at the bottom here, it tells you your estimated cost in Canadian dollars, just so you guys are aware. So that is how you guys can buy Visa stock, ticker symbol V in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.